Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a really quick video. I have been following Odulcina Scrap Anne's channel. I will link her channel down below. And a few months ago, she brought out a kit of these houses. I have had the best time making these up. It's like when you're a little girl and you make your paper dolls and you can decorate them, you can choose their skirts, their tops, and this has just been like that. The kits are just the plain houses as in the background behind, and then you get sheets of things that you can use as doors. She's got a few of these windows, different sizes and styles, and then you just go however you like decorating them, where you place your windows, what you use as the doorknobs, handles. Some of them have the ladies in the doorway, some of them don't. Oh, they have just been such fun. So I'll just quickly go through each one. They're all the same inside, and I will link her video down below if you would like to make your own. So they are just little journals. Obviously, like I said, this is the plain house. This one I've used this as the door. I've popped some lace across the top, just like a, don't know, like the lintel of a door. I've used a tiny little bit of cheesecloth here as the handle, or doorknob, door handle. Pop two little windows and then use some cotton crochet trim just to separate the roof. And then going in, they're all, the same sort of formula. So you have this front page here, which is actually a little envelope, so you can tuck little things in there. Then on the back of that is a flip. Oh, I've just forgotten something as well. On the first page, she has such a lovely way of putting it. I can't remember how she says, but basically you cover the back of the front house with coffee dyed baking paper. And she says about how it makes that lovely noise that we like. And these do have that lovely noise. Anyway, stenciled on that one, just going back. So yeah, so you have your opening little envelope there, flip up there. You could obviously glue that down and have it as a pocket if you wanted to. Stencil coffee dye there, again there. Then you have little scraps which she shows you what these come off. These come off some of the other pages you make. You then, oh lovely, have a whole sheet of that coffee dyed baking paper. And then in the centre of mine, for this one, I've just popped lined paper. Now these are bound or binded differently to the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, because these have these little, almost like, they remind me of little cotton paper clips, but anyway, you have those there. And then obviously the back of the journal is just the opposite of the pages I've just shown you. This one has a little bird stencil on it. And then the back pages all pull out. So there's plenty to journal in these, but they're so pretty. So that's that one. This one, again, just popped lace on, popped a chimney on this one, a couple of windows, the lady who stood in her door there, and one of the pieces of paper just as a lintel again. Paper and some more lace to sort of separate the roof from the bottom of the house. Leave them as raggedy as you like. I love raggedy, so that's why I've done that. Again, the baking paper on there, this with the open, like I said, they all follow the same formula. Open envelope there, flip up, flip down there, lined coffee dyed, then little tiny bits of paper. Yeah, the little bit of baking paper. And then in the middle of this one, I've just put the stencil. And obviously, I did this one the other way around for the actual binding. So you can see here what I mean about how they end up like little cotton staples. I really love those. I actually really like how I've inked through on the coffee dyed paper of that one as well. And then obviously just the back again. And like I said, the final page is just a pull out. So you've got loads to journal on there. So that's that one. Again, just a different shape window there, and some seam binding as the roof. Chimney, little door, I've popped a window on the door there. I love even all the backgrounds of the houses are different. The baking paper again, and again, you just go through, open, flip up, flip down, stencil, two little bits, the delicious sounding and feeling baking paper. just some more coffee dyed. So these are very much journals that you could just fill to your heart's content with writing, or if you wanted a starting point, you could use them to decorate up further. I think they make great little prezzies for, you know, a new home, if somebody's just moved into a new home. I also thought possibly, because these will be listed for sale, I did think possibly, you know, like little Airbnbs or little cottages that you stay in, and sometimes they have a guest book. And I did think actually these would make such lovely guest books, you know, if you were stopping in a pretty country cottage or a little shabby chic place. I love this one. I love the door. I love the door handle, which is just a little bit of lace. I like the placement of the windows. I love this that I used to separate the house from the roof. Little chimney on the other side. Again, same formula. Really quite raggedy, this one. I love this, you know, torn edges. Stenciled, and what did I do in the middle of that one? Yeah, just more stenciled with these sweet little. I think I might do more like this. I really enjoyed this sort of binding instead of your 3-hole pamphlet. And then again at the back of this, just the pull-out paper. Absolutely loads to journal on. Last one. Again, I love this. I love the flowers. It makes you think of roses rambling up a cottage. I love where I've popped the window there. Another lace lintel. Used a button this time for the door handle. Popped a chimney on. And then just going in again. Start again with your open envelope. This one I did glue down, so that is actually a pocket in there if you want to pop something in there. And again, just either writing in these or decorating them up further if you don't particularly want to make the journal, you just enjoy the decorating of it. So they are mine, and I would love to live on a street where all the houses look like this. It would just be gorgeous, wouldn't it? So anyway, I will link the details down below. It's Odulcina Scrap Anne if you would like to buy the kit off Etsy off her to actually make your own houses up. It is absolutely utterly addictive. It is so enjoyable, and these are just a selection of quite a few that I've made. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at them, and I will be coming by very soon. But for now, thanks for stopping by my lovely street. Bye bye.